computer feeling sluggish? Does it take forever to boot up or open apps? It might be time to give your system a performance boost. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files that can slow down its performance. These files are created by various programs and can cluster up your hardware. The good news is that you can easily clean up these temporary files and speed up your computer. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to clear temp files on your Windows PC. Hey everyone, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to tackle a common computer problem: slow performance. We'll be learning how to clear temporary files to speed up your PC. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to open the Run dialog box. And to open this dialog box, you press Windows key plus arrow on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type %temp% and then press Enter. This will open a folder containing temporary files. Select all files and folder within the temp folder by clicking on Ctrl A to highlight all. Then right click on the selected files and choose Delete. You may encounter a message asking if you want to delete files that are in use. Click Continue. Next, open File Explorer. Click on This PC as it is in Windows 10 and 11 or My Computer as it is in other version of Windows. Right click on your C drive and choose Properties. Go to the General tab and click Clean Up System Files. Check the boxes for temporary files and any other unwanted file. Click OK and then delete files. Now let me give you some additional tips. 1. Regularly clean your temp files. Make it a habit to do this, as clearing your temp files will enhance your computer speed. To do this every few weeks. Disable unnecessary startup programs. These programs can slow down your boot time. You can also try the fragment on your hard disk. This can improve overall system performance. By following this simple step, you can significantly improve your computer's performance. Remember to regularly clean your temp files and follow the other tips I've discussed earlier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and folks out there. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next video.